Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that many of you have been asking, like how to get a government job in Dubai. If you are aiming for a secure, prestigious and well-paying career in UAE, stay tuned, let's dive in. First, the most important to know the government job in Dubai are offered by both federal and local entities. Some examples including Dubai Municipality, Dubai Police, Dubai Health Authority, and some other like ministries like finance and all. Each department has its own requirement, so you need to research carefully before applying. So let's check the second step. What do you have to do? Check the eligibility requirement. Most government jobs have strictly eligibility criteria. Typically, you have like educational qualification, professional experience, professional like language. If you are like good at Arabic language, maximum job. So you have to like learn Arabic, or some job in some jobs Arabic doesn't require, and clean legal record. It's important. Make sure your CV match the requirement exactly. Let's check the next step, the third step, register in official portal. So there is one official portal which is Dubai Career, www.dubaicareers.ae. Like you will get all the local government jobs there only. Or else what you can do it, you can go to UAE federal government portals. So you will get the job details in career page, you can get the job details as well. Create a strong profile, upload your documents, it should be clear, set job alert. This will help you to update on like openings, and if you can create a CV in Arabic letter also, Arabic, that will be good. Then the fourth major step, prepare for assessment and interviews. Dubai government jobs are usually a multi-steps recruitment process like online applications, aptitude test, then verifications, then technical test, personal interviews. So preparation is key. Research the organization, practice common interviews, question, highlight your skills, can contribute to the role. So these are the important things you have to take care before applying. The last step is stay persistent and be patient. Government recruitment can take time, sometimes week, sometimes month, or sometimes 6 months. Don't get discouraged. Keep applying, stay updated with the new updates and continuous improvement on your profile and skills. So these are the roadmap to secure a government job in Dubai. Research, eligibility, registration, preparation, and persistence. If you follow these steps, you will increase your chance to get the job significantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.